I really like coming to these kinds of meetings because you hear all kinds of use cases and solutions that are happening in the field, and you get to meet lots of interesting people that are really hands-on with their solutions.
Yesterday was great. It was a very good social event. It was just a free, open discussions with everyone. It was very nice.
We started actually with Applanix, I think it was 10 years ago or 11 years ago. And so it's a very flexible and very good collaboration with both R&D and of course the sales department there.
Well, user group meetings to me are even more valuable than typical conferences that are more commercial focused and very broad. I get a lot more out of the specific sessions and being able to talk to the technical specialists, subject matter experts at a Trimble Applanix.
For the benefits of user group meetings like this, it's always sharing knowledge and learning new things, meeting new people and new minds to see what everybody does with data, and to me that's truly valuable. So far the speakers have been awesome and it's been really interesting for me.
So this is my first UGM. I'm really excited to be here though because I find that we have a bit of tunnel vision sometimes. You know, we really do what we do well, but oftentimes I don't get to explore all the different actual functions or features that are offered through all the software suites. So I'm really excited just to learn about, you know, overall context, overall workflows that are sort of outside of our normal day-to-day, and I think it's just going to allow us to be a lot more efficient moving forward.
You get to talk with them, get to talk over strategies. You get to talk over some of the problems that you've had. There's just a whole host of things, but you know, you talk with different people that outside of your own people that you work with, that you get to talk with and see what they're doing and how you might be able to collaborate to help each other and things of that nature.
For me personally, it's meeting with customers, inviting customers in, presentation from one of my customers to the group. That's the best benefit and value for me.
Getting with your peers in the industry who are going through a lot of the same challenges that you are, I would say that's the biggest thing. Networking, meeting those people and commiserating with challenges and also, you know, celebrating successes.